Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking Charlotte Tilbury. She recently released 3 lipsticks that are geared towards the perfect bridal lip, and I love the colors. As soon as I saw them, I knew that they were colors that I would like to have and colors that I think would be beautiful as a bridal option. So the packaging is really cute. This is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, it's different than her typical box. Normally it's a burgundy shade, but here you have like this really pretty bridal look. You have, you know, these little cupids holding the heart. It's just super cute and super bridal. So today I'm going to show you what the colors look like, as well as talk a little bit about her formula, because this is a matte lipstick. It's her Matte Revolution lipstick, and it's fantastic. So the first shade I'm going to tell you about is the shade that I have on. This is called Mrs. Kisses. The packaging is her standard like rose gold copper packaging, and the actual bullet, all of the lipsticks look like this, have this really cute velvety lip etched into it. It's so cute. So this is what Mrs. Kisses looks like swatch. Mrs. Kisses is described as a golden peach pink. Yeah, I can see that. The swatch looks a little bit more, yeah, I guess, peach pink. It's really beautiful. It's very lightweight, comfortable. They are not transfer proof, just something to keep in mind, but they are absolutely stunning. The next shade I want to show you is called Wedding Bells. Again, you have the same beautiful little etched lips on the bullet. And Wedding Bells, I think this is a shade that most people would gravitate towards, but that's it right there. As you guys can see, that's a really beautiful rose. It's described as a nude pink. Here you have Wedding Bells. The final shade in this collection is called First Dance. This is your deeper color. This is definitely more of your berry toned lipstick, and on the website it is described as a berry rose. Here you have First Dance. There you have First Dance swatched. Mrs. Kisses, Wedding Bells, First Dance. And as you guys can see, you have a nice variety of shades. I think these are the pretty standard lip shades that most brides want, and I feel like these colors are very flattering for any look. The look that I did today is pretty standard for what most brides want. So I wanted to wear something that would kind of give you an idea of what these lipsticks would look like with just a standard bridal look. So the Matte Revolution lipsticks are really lovely because they're very thin, they're pigmented, they're smooth, they give you this beautiful like velvety finish. However, they are not transfer proof. They're not, but as you guys can see, they wear evenly. They look really beautiful on the lips, and as you wear them throughout the night, you're not going to get like a patchy look. It's just going to look like a stain on the lip. So it's absolutely stunning for a special occasion because you don't have to worry about reapplying. Obviously, if you can, that would be great, and if you can't, it's fine because your lipstick will wear down evenly. These lipsticks retail for $34, and you can buy them on the Charlotte Tilbury website, as well as Sephora, Nordstrom. I'm not sure if Macy's carries them, but a lot of major retailers carry Charlotte Tilbury. On her website, she does have bundles where you can buy the lipsticks paired with a lip liner. Now, the lip liners are not limited edition. They are part of her permanent collection, but she's giving you an idea of what you can pair it with. If you are a bride and if you are interested in picking up one of these shades and you feel like you need a lip liner, I highly encourage you to look at her website and see what shade fits you best, what appeals to you. I personally think that all the shades are very wearable, very soft, and easy to wear with any look. And what I like to recommend to my brides is I like to recommend a very soft lip combo to start for the ceremony, right? So you want something like a nude, you could do something like Wedding Bells or Mrs. Kisses. And then I like to give them an option for the evening and the reception. So I would definitely recommend something like this because I think it is just like enough of a pop of color to where it looks like your makeup has completely changed, but it's not. It's just a lip change. And if you like bolder, then go bolder. So I like the idea because I think it gives you just a fun pop of color. It gives you a little change and it takes your look from soft, beautiful daytime to flirty, sexy party time. I am personally a fan of Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I love them. I think she does a beautiful job with her formula. And I think that this was an appropriate collection to release. So while many of you have had to cancel your weddings because of everything that's happening, COVID, it gives you something to look forward to. Her release was intentional. She said she wanted to offer something that celebrated love and happiness and joy, and I think that that's exactly what she's doing. I really love these lipsticks. I highly recommend them. If you are, again, planning your wedding, playing with what you want your look to be, I would highly encourage you to check these out. She does say that they are limited edition. I would like to say that I wish that there was more variety in her collection because I feel like these shades would require a little bit more of a push if you are a darker skin tone. So I would like to see her, you know, maybe come out with another release where she's offering, you know, maybe deeper shades of these. I would consider these nudes, to be honest with you guys. I don't think that they are, you know, like really bold. So I would like to see her be more thoughtful of, you know, including deeper shades. So these are great. I think that you can make them work, but you would obviously have to pair them with a brown liner or a berry liner or something that's a little bit deeper to make it work for a darker skin tone. Now, that doesn't mean that somebody that is darker can't wear this. Absolutely, you can. But again, if you are not a fan of, you know, shades looking really pastel-y or milky or too creamy on you, then you are going to have to pair these with a liner. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite shade was, and subscribe and like this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.